Hey guys, very good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Sunday and the time is around 5 o'clock. It's going to be 5 o'clock. Me and Vicky are planning to go for a quick spin, considering that we had the World Motorcycle Day yesterday. So we wanted to make sure that we respect the riding community. So we are going to Acchalu Betta today, which is about 1 hour 34 minutes. So we'll reach somewhere around 6:30 in the morning. So it's somewhere nearby. It's around, if I'm right, let me see how many kilometers. It is around 83 kilometers from Bangalore. So me and Vicky have been planning for some time now to go to Acchalu Betta because it's an off-roading session. It's going to be very adrenaline today because what I heard from a couple of my off-roading friends is that this route is very scenic. We are on our way to Kanakpura right now. So I came via BTM layout and Vicky just reached now the spot. We had a quick tea and then we are leaving, so we can see Vicky there going in a KTM 390. Super excited because this is the first, for me it is the first pure off-roading what I'm going to do with Dragon. Super damn excited. How it's going to go I don't know, but expecting the best. Thanks to my college friend Rahul. He had come here about I think 2 or 3 weeks back and he gave us the insight that this place is really nice for doing off-roading, but the only thing what he told was be careful because it's a village area. You need to be very slow. Okay uncle, Acchalu uncle mountain ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸರ್? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
வந்து இப்ப நான் என்ன உங்கள்கிட்ட சொல்றது,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. So people here are very kind actually. They are giving us the right direction. He says the route will be a little bit off-road, but there will be a circle it seems, so you have to take the right from there. Okay, so we have 60% of battery. I think we can go with that. Switch off ABS. Okay, ABS is off. ABS off on yeah. Okay. So yeah, we have started climbing. Okay, here you go. It's kind of easy only. Let's see how this goes because as of now it seems to be a decent route only. Okay, on the count of 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we have mud here. I think Vicky has got stuck. Huh? Ready? Throttle, 1, 2, 3, go. Po. அந்த குழியில் இறங்கிச்சா? Okay, now we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey, va, Vicky, va. Vicky. Va, yo puedo. புடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வண்டியை புடி, காலில் ஸ்ட்ரெயின் ஆகுது. இன்சைடில் புடி இங்கே வந்து. இல்லைடா சாஞ்சிரும். அப்படி உட்காந்து டிரைவ் பண்ணலாம். கியர்ல தான் இருக்கு. ஆ 1, 2, 3. திருப்பி எடுத்துறா வண்டியா. எப்படி இருக்கு சிச்சுவேஷன் லெஃப்ட்ல? இல்லை கீழே விடுமா? ஓகே, மேலே போய் நிறுத்துறேன். வா. ஓகே, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, this stretch is easy. That's the adrenaline, da. You know, like taking your bike on an off-road. I think that's the only stretch where we have problem. If Dragon was lightweight, trust me, it would have maneuvered very easily and it would have climbed up. But because our boy is Royal Enfield, right? Oh, what's this? Okay, Royal Enfield, right? So the weight is kind of heavy. Okay, get in the center and keep climb. Great job. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's an easy climb. Whew. Man, I'm telling you, that first stretch was very bad. Okay, we're taking a hairpin bend in the mountain, boys. It's an off-roading hairpin. So people are walking all towards the mountain. Okay, Okay. Hold on tight, hold on tight. Nice. Easy climb. Oh, but one good thing about Royal Enfield is good engine. It can climb aram se. Once again, sir. Oh, good job. So Vicky also came. Acchalu Betta. Here we come, buddy. Off-roading is fun. You need to give it a try. Now I'll sit for some time and try it. I think they would have tried to climb. It would have not been possible. So that's the reason. That's the reason they would have parked the bike down. So many people are walking and coming, like hiking. Damn. Whew. We have reached the top of Acchalu Betta. Wow, what a majestic view, guys. Seriously, doing this off-roading and coming. Oh, at last we are in peace. That's a big Nandi. Wow, what a place, man. What a place. My stand. So guys, at last we have finished our journey to Acchalu Betta, right? Yeah, I think that's the one. So there's so many bettas here in Bangalore. It's actually good to be in Bangalore because there's a lot of places nearby Bangalore within 80 kilometers to see. So this is the view, guys. If you see here, all the 360 is completely mountains. Like all, maybe some bettas that side, I don't know, but trust me, it's really worth coming here. We had some great off-roading. You'd have seen the video, but it's very steep. You need to be very, very careful whenever you come here because you need to take care of yourself. I'll show you the front view actually. So that's how it is, guys. I go here. So you have some great view from here. Oof, there's a lot of mountains across this scenic place. I don't know, maybe that should be another betta, who knows. There's a lot of places here to climb, but everything is around 80 kilometers from Bangalore. You have to travel. There's a small lake there, then you have a mini lake here. This is the village through which we came. That's the highway, from which we came. We took the right in that junction, came through this village, and we got in through this gap, and then this is the route which we took, the mud road. So basically this whole route is like, it goes round the mountain like 360 and comes up. But we had some great experience. So I had a good experience taking Dragon here. This is the first time we did an off-road nearby Bangalore, and I was able to see its capability, what Scram 440 can do. It's a good mission to do off-roading, but it has good torque, so it can climb really well. But specifically with the underbelly, which gets hit badly, because the height seems to be a bit low, the ground clearance height. So that's the only drawback. Apart from that, it performed really well. So from here we'll go back again to Bangalore. On the way we'll have breakfast. So I'll conclude the video until here. So I hope this video was very likable. If that's the case, you know what to do. Like, share, and do subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell button for any further notification. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, it's goodbye from your Bharat and Acchalu Betta. So see you, bye bye, sayonara.